Over here, this image represents a sarcomere, which is the smallest functional unit of a striated muscle tissue. Over here, this is the electron microscopic view of a sarcomere that you can see. It's basically looks like a woven cloth which has alternate darker and brighter bands. Now, you all know that in muscles, we have two types of contractile proteins. One is known as actin, another one is myosin. Now, one by one, we will learn the parts. First, we start with the Z line. Over here, you get to see the Z line. Z line is this part. In the electron microscopy, if we see, this particular region is your Z line. The word Z means Z in German is for zwischen, which means between. The Z line is between two sarcomeres. That means this is entirety is one sarcomere, and after that starts the next sarcomere. So Z line determines the extent of a sarcomere. Now inside the Z line, in the electron microscopic image, you can see there is a lighter band, which are basically these parts. These are the areas which are known as isotropic bands. Iso means only one type of things are there. That means this part is made up of only actin. That is, in the image, this is the part only made up of actin fibers, right? After that, we have a darker region. This is the darker region after the eye zone. This darker region is known as anisotropic zone or A band. A stands for anisotropic. Why anisotropic? Because it has both myosin as well as actin. That means two different types of fibers. So anisotropic. Over here you can see the anisotropic region. This is the anisotropic region. Over here you can see you have the myosin fibers as well as you have the actin fibers. Within this anisotropic or A band, you will see that there is a lighter region that you can see over here. Within this, we have a small region which is a bit lighter. This region is lighter. In German, lighter is known as heller. And from that, this region is now termed as H zone. Within this H zone, you can see there is a middle line over here. There's a middle line kind of a thing. This middle line is known as M line. In German, middle is Mittel. From that, you get M line.